Hi, this is Jenny Wheeler with Straightaway Travel. I'm here at the Dreams Aventuras Riviera Maya Family All-Inclusive Resort. This is part of the Inclusive Collection by Hyatt, located in Riviera Maya, Mexico. This is a 2-double preferred Marina view room. With the preferred, you get access to the club lounge. You can eat breakfast and lunch at Oceana Restaurant, which is right next to the preferred only guest pool. Walking in here, there is a nice spacious bathroom. There is some separation between the sink vanity area and this nice large shower area with the toilet. They provide shampoo, conditioner, and body wash. Here is the single vanity, and they provide lotion here, as well as soap, hair comb, mosquito repellent, toothpaste, sewing kit, vanity kit, shower kit, shoe mitt, shave kit, and a dental kit. Some nice incense from the Hyatt Inclusive Collection. They have a lot of storage, perfect for families. They have a steamer here for you and an in-room safe. Over on this side, extra storage for your hanging items, 2 plush robes, luggage rack, and slippers. There's a nice large full-length mirror here. Here are the 2 double beds. There is 1 nightstand in the middle, and they do have US outlets, so you don't need to worry about bringing a converter if you're coming from the United States. Also a phone. If you need anything for your room, you just hit 0, and there's also 24-hour room service. And here, there's a nice large TV that's advertising the spa treatments. Here's where you have a nice little snack area set up. And there are lots of drinks already stocked in the refrigerator. If you need anything else, you just hit 0 and they'll bring it up to you. There's some additional storage here. And coming out this way is our beautiful view. We have a marina view. So looking down, we can see the preferred guest pool. You can see down to the swim-up rooms. Back there is Oceana Restaurant. You can see into the marina, and over here out to the ocean. When you go to plan your next vacation, please consider booking with Straightaway Travel. We don't charge any fees for our planning services. When you book through us, you pay the same as you do as booking online, but you get a wonderful team of dedicated travel agents here helping you, visiting the spots, giving you the tips and tricks, having your back, and making sure you have the most amazing vacation. Please reach us at straightawaytravel.com and be sure to follow our YouTube channel.
Make sure to hit like and subscribe, and go to www.straightawaytravel.com for all your vacation needs at 0 cost to you. We make your vacation perfect. You pay nothing more.